Hey, buddy.
Hi.
Did you find a puddle?
Yes, I did.
Wants to go run and jump some more? Show us all about it. Show us all how it works.
I found
That's a big splash there, buddy. Did you figure that out all by yourself? Yeah.
Yeah, Mommy's just picking up these so they don't come in.
Beep, 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 beep.
Hey, doggy. Hey, look, he opened the refrigerator. Look, he opened the refrigerator. When you jump, you hear that wave and it separated that out. And so now they just see. Hi, dog. Hi, boy.
Beep, 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 beep. My wet.
Yeah.
Even my clothes are wet.
Yeah, we're going to have to take them all off you and rinse you down when we get in the house.
No, I'm still in the plane.
Well, we're not going to the house yet.
How far does the puddle go, buddy?
What?
Can you show us where the puddle goes? How far does it go?
Well, it's already drying up. You can
It
go
goes
there.
about this far.
Yeah,
Okay, how far does it go the other way? Show me all the way the other way.
It goes about this far to the other way.
That's right. That's a big puddle, isn't it, buddy? Do you like to splash?
Yes, I do. Yeah, I like it.
I think someone likes to play in the water. Alright, buddy, let's say bye-bye.
say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.